Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best gaming PC that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. CyberPower PC exclusively makes PCs catered towards the gaming community, and the result are some of the best machines on the market today. But while the GXIVR 8060A8 strips things down for the sake of gamers with a tighter budget, it still keeps value disproportionately high to the price. This gaming PC incorporates a 9th-generation Intel Core chip as well as an AMD Radeon GPU for some of the best performance in this range. But the price of this hardware for manufacturers is pretty standardized. CyberPower PC manages to keep their gaming PC among the best thanks to the fine-tuning they've done here. This gaming PC has been optimized for DirectX 12, and it's been built from the ground up with the needs of virtual reality gaming in mind. It's a commitment to excellence that's made it a consistent best of winner from some of the biggest PC gaming publications. At number 4. Cuk AsRock DeskMini A300W Tiny Desktop. Computer Upgrade King is an official Asus partner, and they've taken a dedicated partnership with Asus and transformed it into an opportunity to produce some of the most best gaming computers on the market. The first thing you'll notice about the DeskMini is just how tiny it is. With max dimensions of 6 inches, it can almost fit in the palm of a hand, but just because it's small in stature doesn't mean it doesn't have a big heart. The APU finds a nice balance between price, size, and performance, and while it can't hold pace with the best, it's a perfectly sensible choice for a gaming PC under $500. And if you want to get truly serious with your gaming experience, you can easily rig up to 3 different monitors up at the same time. There's even 4 different storage options for saving your favorite games. At number 3. Cuk Continuum Micro Gamer PC. The craftsmanship in builds from Computer Upgrade King are largely unparalleled, and we highly recommend the Continuum if the specs on other gaming computer builds you're looking at aren't quite up to snuff. An incredibly compact frame makes this computer easy to take with you for LAN parties and gaming while you're out of town, and there's plenty of space available for upgrading some of the core hardware components on this computer. Just keep in mind that you'll need to do a little more assembling than you would from a computer that came from one of the bigger manufacturers. But the Wi-Fi dongle is smartly designed and pretty easy to set up, and the lack of an operating system means that you won't have to worry about any bloatware once you get this gaming computer up and running. It may take a little more work, but the value you get is unmatched. At number 2. Acer Aspire TC780 Desktop. The Acer Aspire wants to help you aspire to better. By pairing a later generation i5 processor with an integrated graphics card, Acer has really managed to work smart with their price point of under $500. Windows 10 comes pre-installed, and the sleek black tower design will look just as good in the office as it will in the game room at your house or apartment. Some clever design choices have been made elsewhere as well. The inclusion of a hybrid hard drive gives you the best combination of capacity and performance, but the sound system here is an unusual highlight. While most PC manufacturers are just fine packing in a couple of dinky 2-watt speakers, this PC is actually capable of being expanded to support 5.1 surround sound. It may take some time and money, but it's one of your best choices if you want a hub for casual gaming. And finally at number 1. Lenovo Ideacentre 720 18L Desktop. The Ideacentre 720 may not have been built to compete with the best gaming computers, but this workhorse of a computer is actually well equipped for the task. Unlike many of the best gaming monitors on this list, it includes a pretty powerful dedicated graphics card, a decision that only works because of the smart inclusion of a powerful AMD chip. It interfaces well with your graphics card without costing an arm and a leg for the privilege. This is a computer built with upgrades in mind, and you don't need much experience to get to the process of customizing it. The back panel pops out, and the interior is neatly designed so that you can easily pop in a new hard drive or a memory expansion without having to even use any tools. It's an unconventional choice for the best gaming PC models of 2020, but it's a choice that works. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.